Hello everyone, we will make birds and tree using peanut shell. Take the peanut shell and stick it to the trees. Now using green color, paint them. Now using yellow color, make the birds, make its eyes, legs. It's ready. Next we will make tree using pumpkin seeds. Stick them on the paper. Now color it using green color. Make few flowers and it's ready. Next, using egg tray, we will make beautiful flowers. Cut out the egg tray in the flower shape. Now stick them on the paper. Draw its stem, leaves, make a ladybird using red clay and it's ready. Next, we will make a beautiful fruit stick. Take the yellow foam net and tie it as we are tying. Now stick it. Stick round shaped papers. Now draw black dots on it and it's ready. We will make mushroom using egg tray. Take grass using green color. Use the brush to make the strokes. Cut the egg tray in the shape as shown. Now using white clay, make stem of it. Now using different colors, color the shell, put white dots on it and it's ready. Now using egg tray, we will make beautiful red flowers. Cut out the egg tray in the shape of the flowers. Now using red color, color it. Now draw its leaves and stem, yellow balls in between and it's ready. Now using orange peel, we will make beautiful flowers. Cut the orange peel in the shape of the flowers. Now stick them on the paper. Make few more as such. Now draw its stems and leaves. Make a ladybird using red clay and it's ready. Next we will make ladybird using empty walnut shell. Make the grass using the brush. Take the empty walnut shell, color it, draw black dots on it, draw its eyes, face and legs. Make few more as such. Make a sun and it's ready. We will make watermelon ice cream using the bubble wrap paper. Cut out in a triangle shape. Color it with using red color. Put green clay on it. Make its eyes, hands and it's ready. Now using yellow foam net, we will make a cute pineapple. Cut it out in an oval shape. Make its leaves, make its eyes, mouth, legs and hand. And your pineapple is ready. Next, using a bubble wrap sheet, we will make the pomegranate. Take a bubble wrap sheet, color it with red color, press it on yellow sheet, paste some green leaves and it's ready. Next, using bubble wrap sheet, we will make a beautiful tree. Stick it and color it with green color. Now using brush, make grass, put red balls on it and it's ready. Today we will make different emotional faces using the orange peel. Using black marker, draw its eyes, nose, hands and leg and it's ready. Next we will make caterpillar using orange peel. Cut the peel in the shown shape. Now cut out circular round shapes out of it. Now stick it in the same manner as we are sticking and it's ready. Next we will make flowers using the orange peel. Take the orange and cut it in the shape of the flowers as we are cutting. Make few more as such, stick them, draw stem and leaves, make a ladybird and it's ready. Now using the peanut shell, we will make cute small snails. Take the leaf and stick it as we have shown. Now take the empty peanut shell, stick them, draw its eyes and it's ready. Thanks for watching.